The primary camera of the new Nokia 6 is a large half-an-inch 48 megapixel sensor with advanced quad pinning technology, enabling us to combine up to 4 pixels to create one super sensitive one, so you can capture images even in challenging conditions. All of the cameras of the new Nokia 7 feature Zeiss optics. The 48 megapixel primary camera, the 118 degree wide angle camera, the depth sensor, as well as the 20 megapixel front sensor with the same pixel pinning technology. Together with our imaging partner Zeiss, we're also bringing exclusive experiences to life with the new Nokia 7. For me, the key call out here is the portrait mode. We wanted to deliver a true DSLR-like portrait experience with the new Nokia 7. There's a couple of unique things here. First of all, we don't only blur the object on the background, we will also adjust the object on the front, giving you a natural, beautiful bokeh effect. Secondly, most of the solutions out there today only deploy the background blur when it comes to taking a portrait. Now what that means is that you have to choose between a stunning HDR effect or low light performance and the portrait shot. Now where the Nokia 7 is unique is that we combine the best all of this. So you don't only get a beautiful bokeh effect, you also get HDR and excellent low light performance. All of this at a fraction of the cost of a flagship. Another area that I want to call out is low light. Whenever you take a picture with the new Nokia 7, we will combine at least 6 images together to deliver you excellent detail and HDR. Now, if you're in the dedicated night mode, we will fuse up to 20 images if the phone recognizes that it's on a tripod, and at least 8 to 10 images even in a handheld condition. Then we perform noise reduction, adjust the dynamic range, and remove any ghost images. This night mode works seamlessly with the ultra-wide camera too.